Today you'll take your vocabulary quiz for Chapter 16. Make sure you put your name, your class period, and the date at the top of the page. Here's your word bank. A. Fugitive. B. Debate. C. Compromise. D. Secede. E. Abolitionist. F. Border ruffian. G. Border state. H. Civil War. I. Regulate. J. Network. K. Popular sovereignty. L. Arsenal. M. Martyr. N. Rigid. O. Due process. P. Topic. Q. Secession. R. States' rights. S. Reject. And T. Justify. Here are your definitions or descriptions. Number 1, this is a person who sought the end of slavery in the United States in the early and mid-1800s. Number 2, this is a statement of a dispute or disagreement that's reached by each side giving up some of what it wants in order to reach an agreement. Number 3, this is a person who's running away from legal authority. Number 4, this is a discussion by opposing points of view. Number 5, this word means to withdraw or break away from a nation or organization, or to officially leave an organization. Number 6, this is a state between the North and the South that was divided over whether to remain in the Union or join the Confederacy. Number 7, this word means to control or govern. Number 8, this is an armed supporter of slavery who crossed the border from Missouri to vote in Kansas during the mid-1850s. Number 9, this is a word that means interconnected system. Number 10, this is a conflict between citizens of the same country, one part of a country in conflict with the other. Number 11, this is a person who sacrifices his or her life for a principle or a cause. Number 12, this word means firm and inflexible. Number 13, this is a place to store weapons and military equipment. Number 14, this is the belief that the government is subject to the will of the people. Number 15, these are the legal rules and procedures established by law and guaranteed by the Constitution that the government must observe before they can deprive a person of life, liberty, or property. Number 16, this is a theory that individual states are independent and they have the right to control their most important affairs. Number 17, this is the subject of discussion. Number 18, this word means to provide an explanation for or to find reasons to support. Number 19, this word means to refuse to accept. 20. This word means withdrawal or to leave the union.